Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to downgrade subscription. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do for you to be able to downgrade your subscription is to log in using your credentials. If you want to downgrade your subscription here in Evernote, is a simple process from a paid plan to a free plan. You just have to follow these simple steps. Now, depending on the device that you are using, if you're using your mobile app, which is an iOS or an Android, doesn't matter. Just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and cancel your subscription. But in my case, I'm going to show you a very quick way for you to do that. All right, go to the upper left corner where you can see your profile icon. All right, there should be an option here that says Help. All right, so before that, let me show you the subscription plans or types here in Evernote. If you click the settings, hover down below where you can see the more settings, languages, close account, and change email. Click that. You will then be forwarded to this section wherein there are several types of plans in Evernote. The one is the personal. It has a different subscription price. Of course, there is the Evernote Professional. Now, in my case, I am using the Evernote Free. All you have to do if you're using the a different subscription, click the downgrade or click the cancel button. All right, that's one way. Or you can simply hover here at the help section, wherein all you have to do is click the submit a request. Why? Because one of the customer support staff is 24/7 available to help out us out here in Evernote if we need any help or assistance. You see this accounts and subscriptions. Click that. You would be forwarded to the bottom section wherein you choose the drop down menus, account and subscription. All right, click that. Account type is if you're using a personal, professional, plus, and premium plans. Select a topic, and that's gonna be, you see, manage my subscription, which is downgrade. All right, how did you pay? You will be asked if you did you use an Evernote website using your credit card or a debit card, or maybe if you're using your PayPal, or if you use your iTunes or Google Play. For example, I have used my Google PayPal. I'm sorry. Last payment date is, I believe that was January 3rd. Latest invoice could be like DL69. Amount paid is like 69. I don't know. I'm not really sure. And the email that is associated with that account. All right. And from here, no, but you want to downgrade subscription. Here, and then attach a file so that it's a supplemental info for the support team to be able to help you out very quickly. All right, and click on submit. One of these support staff will give you insights on troubleshooting steps and to potentially fix your issues if you're having problems downgrading and giving you go signal of your request to downgrade your subscription. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.